Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Did you know that out of the millions of species on earth, only a handful menstruate? And humans, we menstruate more frequently than any other animal. But why? That's the point of this biologically taxing process that seems on the surface to waste nutrients and cause inconvenience. Well, the answer lies deep in the history and evolution of life itself. Today, we are tackling a topic that's often misunderstood or overlooked: menstruation. By the end of this video, you will not only understand why periods exist, but also why humans evolved to menstruate so frequently compared to other animals. If you have ever wondered about the science and history behind menstruation, you are in the right place. My name is Saida Salat and I've spent years diving into biology and human health topic as one of my prime interests to bring you insights that are both informative and easy to understand. So let's get started. Point number one. What is menstruation? Let's start with the basics. Menstruation is the process of shedding the uterine lining or endometrium when pregnancy doesn't occur. It's controlled by a carefully balanced interplay of hormones like estrogen and progesterone. Here's how it works. Every month, the body prepares for the possibility of pregnancy. The uterine lining thickens, creating a nutrient-rich environment where a fertilized egg could implant and grow. If no fertilized egg arrives, the body has no use of this lining and sheds it, leading to what we call a period. But here's the kicker. Most mammals don't menstruate at all. Instead, they reabsorb the uterine lining. So why did humans and a few other species evolve to shed it instead? Point number two. Why do humans menstruate so frequently? To understand this, we need to think about reproduction from an evolutionary perspective. Humans are among the most fertile mammals on earth. Women ovulate every month, meaning their bodies are constantly preparing for pregnancy. Frequent ovulation and menstruation serve a purpose. They maximize the chances of reproduction. But why does shedding the uterine lining make sense? The answer lies in how our bodies defend against infections. The uterus is a fertile environment. By shedding the lining monthly, the body eliminates any pathogens that might have made their way into the uterus. Think of it as a clearing mechanism. It's energy intensive, yes, but it ensures that the uterus remains a safe, healthy place or space for potential pregnancies. Key point number three, the evolutionary history of menstruation. Let's take a trip back in time. Scientists believe menstruation evolved over 60 million years ago. It's primarily found in a small group of mammals, including primates like us, certain bats, and elephant shrews. Why? Because these species share one important trait: a highly invasive placenta. The placenta is the organ that connects a developing fetus to the mother's blood supply. In human, the placenta burrows deeply into the uterine lining, more so than in most mammals. This deep invasion creates a high risk of infection. Menstruation evolved as a defense mechanism. By shedding the uterine lining and starting fresh each cycle, the body reduces the risk of infection and ensures that the uterus is ready to support a healthy pregnancy. Key point number four. Why is menstruation considered a mystery? Despite its importance, menstruation is still surrounded by mystery. For centuries, cultural taboos and stigma prevented open discussions and research. Even today, scientists debate why menstruation evolved in some species but not in others. Some theories suggest it's a byproduct of other reproductive traits, while others argue it's a deliberate adaptation to our unique biology. What we do know is that menstruation isn't just a human thing. It's a sign of how evolution tailors biology to meet the specific needs of a species. Key point number 5. What makes human menstruation unique? Here is something fascinating. Humans don't just menstruate. We menstruate a lot. In most mammals that menstruate, the process happens less frequently, maybe once or twice a year. Humans, on the other hand, experience it monthly, except during pregnancy or certain health conditions. Why the difference? It comes down to our long reproductive window and the fact that human reproduction is incredibly demanding. The hormonal regulation of menstruation is also unique, involving precise coordination between the brain, ovaries, and uterus. And let's not forget the cultural impact. Menstruation has influenced myths, health practices, and even gender dynamics throughout history. Now it's your turn. Did you learn something new about menstruation today? Or maybe you have always had question about this process that science still hasn't answered? To sum it up, menstruation is far from a random or wasteful process. It's an evolutionary adaptation that protects reproductive health, ensures fertility, and reflects the incredible complexity of the human body. It's a reminder that even processes we take for granted have deep roots in our evolutionary history. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to check out our other content on human biology and evolution. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and Allah Hafiz.